Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So this was sent over by a company called FIVONA, and it is absolutely perfect for tackling that issue. So as you can see, it's gonna come in this nice little bottle right here. It is going to target that dry skin, that cracked skin, that rough skin on your feet, calluses, all that kind of stuff. So the bottle here, or the container, is about 3.5 ounces. It smells absolutely great. So first off, it does have a nice little applicator here so you can apply it evenly. A little goes a long way. You do not need to slather this on your feet really thick or anything like that. A little does go a long way. So you got a nice little applicator that you can apply, and then as you can see, it has a little plastic part here that you just take off, and then you go ahead and scoop it on the applicator and you're good to go. But like I said, it smells really, really good, and that's because of the ingredients that this stuff has in it. So you're gonna notice it has tea tree in it. It's gonna have eucalyptus in here, aloe. It's gonna have paraslane and witch hazel. All those ingredients are working around for various different things as far as hydrating and then removing away that dead skin. Now, as far as softening, it does have a 42% urea, and then it's also gonna have 2% salicylic acid, which is helping slough away that dead skin as well. Now, for me personally, when I apply this, I don't find it greasy or anything like that. That's one thing I absolutely don't like, is that really super greasy feeling, and I don't get that with this at all. It also does absorb really, really fast, which I like because I put it on obviously right before bedtime, and you don't want to just constantly sitting there on your feet when you're kind of climbing in bed. Now, give it about a couple, depending on how rough your feet are, right? So give it about a 1 to 2 weeks, and that's where you're going to really start to notice a difference. At least that's how it worked for me. But overall, if you're in the market and you're looking for a great foot cream for yourself or for a loved one, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you look curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.